New Uniswap listing to watch. Bitcoin ETF token BTCETF goes live. Last updated December 21, 2023 2:03 EST. Foreman re-disclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals size full WP image 144,678 align center src equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,703,249,148 BTCETF token Uniswap listing. PNG alt equals Bitcoin ETF token Uniswap. Listing width equals 920 height equals 767 src set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,703,249,148 BTCETF token Uniswap listing. PNG 920 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,703,249,148 BTCETF token Uniswap listing 300x 150. PNG 300 WA. https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,703,249,148 BTCETF token Uniswap listing 768 640. PNG 768 WA. https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,703,249,148 BTCETF token Uniswap listing 150x12.5. PNG 150 sizes equals max width. 920x 100 WA. 920x spot Bitcoin ETF FOMO is turbocharging new crypto Bitcoin ETF token $BTCETF, which launched yesterday on Uniswap at 12 UTC. Developments regarding the approval of the dozen or so applications sitting with the Securities and Exchange Commission continue to add to expectations of an early January green light for the first spot Bitcoin ETFs in the U.S. The BlackRock ETF, which will be known as the iShares Bitcoin Trust, has filed its ticker, IBIT. Meanwhile, two ETF providers have released adverts for their products, with Bitwise being the first out of the gate with its most interesting man in the world tagline, featuring actor Jonathan Goldsmith. Fast follower. Hashdex was next up with its stocks aren't crypto. Fixed income isn't crypto. Precious metals. Nope, not crypto either. Riff. This is huge. Bitwise is launching a major ad campaign for their hash Bitcoin spot ETF 500 USD will be reached in no time. Pick Twitter.com/SKGLSW336. Robin Sayer at Robin Sayer December 18, 2023. The adverts are a sign of the fierce competition that there will be among asset managers to grab the business of institutions and retail investors. Elsewhere, discussion between the SEC and providers has led to an agreement for cash redemptions in line with the preferred approach of the SEC, which thinks this is safer. Also, BlackRock has tweaked its ETF design to make it prepay, which is a technical change that will enable banks to, in practice, hold Bitcoin on their balance sheets. However, investors can get in on what could be the biggest investment theme to ever hit crypto by buying $BTCETF right now. The digital asset raised $5 million in its initial coin offering, which closed last week after being fully subscribed. $BTCETF is the first and only token to launch into the market with a design that is hooked into the news flow and product development and performance of the forthcoming spot Bitcoin ETFs. Milestones such as approval, launch, and hitting targets for assets under management and trading volumes for the token all trigger value-enhancing events through the burn mechanism and transaction tax built into the tokenomics of the coin. The hash Bitcoin ETF claim is now live. Ensure you have a sufficient amount of $ETH for covering gas fees when claiming. Claim here. https://t/co/vb3xlf. Pick Twitter.com/5bjk0off3x. BTCETF token at BTCETF token December 21, 2023. How the Bitcoin ETF token is lined up to ride the crypto bull run. Bitcoin ETF token is crafted in such a way that its total token supply decreases by as much 25% due to its burn mechanism. Burning tokens remove them from supply and increases the scarcity of the asset, potentially making it more valuable. In addition to the burns, for each of the first 5 milestones, the transaction tax decreases by 1% from a starting level of 5%. 5 steps for Bitcoin ETF gains. $BTCETF hits a trading volume of $100 million. SEC approves the first spot Bitcoin ETF. First spot Bitcoin ETF launches in the U.S. Bitcoin ETF assets under management hits $1 billion. Bitcoin Price closes daily candle above $100,000. Bitcoin ETF token the best bet for riding the Bitcoin supercycle. The Bitcoin price today charged higher to $44,000 as it again reaches for $45,000, underlining the bullish sentiment in the market as we head into the new year. Bitcoin has been the best performing financial asset of 2023, and with block reward having coming in April on the back of the near certainty of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval, the good news is set to keep rolling. It is this background that makes BTCETF such an enticing proposition. There are two Uniswap VTWO pools for BTCETF trading. The first pool sees the coin trading with a smaller liquidity pool, which can be found here. https://www.dextools.io/app/n/ether/perexplorer/0x3x3x7 8 for 57 Fanin 8a. Second pool was created for the pair due to a pricing error in the first pool. This second pool has greater liquidity $366 than the first pool $35. https://www.dextools.io/app/n/ether/perexplorer/0x65271 e-4b81483b73b7285 f476. See the price spread between the two pools is shrinking over time, although it is advised to push buy orders through the second pool because of its greater liquidity, which means trades will be matched with minimum price slippage. Positive price action is being sustained through the taxation on buys and sells, as well as token buybacks, which began yesterday. BTCETF price chart following Uniswap listing via DX Tools. Bitcoin ETF token $BTCETF to spike 100x as FOMO takes off. To keep up to date with Bitcoin ETF token developments, join the X, Twitter, and Telegram. The website features a news feed on all things related to Bitcoin and Bitcoin ETFs, so bookmark the site to keep your finger on the pulse. A spot Bitcoin ETF is likely to have a massive impact on financial markets by bringing Bitcoin in from the cold, giving it the credibility to slay the doubters. Bitcoin ETF approvals will be a major sign of a maturing market, which could see the price of the coin increase by multiples of 2x or 3x in 2024. However, $BTCETF has an even better risk-reward profile. Early investors could see the coin generate returns of as much as 100x, as its market cap of only $12.45 million provides it with much greater upside potential at current prices. Check the latest Bitcoin ETF token price on DX Tools. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter or quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMG SRC equals https://simg. co/p/ml300, JPEG alt equals image, class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img.